WordPress blogs have two main forms of navigation. There are pages and categories. A common example of a page is an About Us page, which WordPress creates automatically when it's installed. You can edit the default About Us page, create additional pages like a Contact Us page for instance, or delete it and not have any pages at all. The categories, however, are an important part of a blog's navigation. The one default category that is created is simply uncategorized. What you should do is jot down a list of headings that you would be able to use to divide up the individual blog posts on your blog. For example, if your blog was about golf, you might have golf equipment, golf schools, golf holidays, golf tournaments, etc. So that each time you write a post, you'll be able to file it under a relevant category heading. It's very easy to edit, add and delete categories after you have started posting, so don't worry about getting this perfect at this stage. Once you have a list of categories, this is how you create them. Log into WordPress, click on Manage, then Categories. Click on Add New. Then write the category name in here as you would like it to appear on the blog. The slug is how the category will be displayed in, for example, the browser address bar. So as the tip suggests, I would keep it the same, except for keeping it all lowercase and putting hyphens in instead of spaces. Oops. To keep things simple, I would say don't worry about the category parents at this stage. You could, for example, have a category parent of golf equipment and then have categories like golf clubs, golf balls, golf bags, etc. underneath that category. The blog would then display golf equipment with the other categories nested underneath it. Okay, but it's up to you. Again, you can leave the description area blank at this stage and fill it in later if you want, although it's only worth it if your template design displays the category description, which it may not. Click Add Category and you're done. Follow this process to add all your categories. Once you have your list of categories, you can write posts under each one. This is very easy. Click on Write, and by default the Write Post page comes up. There we go. If you wanted to write a page, you would click on that link instead, but it's a Write Post by default. So, write your post heading here and the bulk of the post here. You have the option of writing in, if I just move this, visual mode or HTML. Only use HTML if you are familiar with it. It shows you the raw code. WordPress is designed so that you don't have to see this code for writing posts, so it's nice just to use the visual mode. You can style the text with bold or italics. You can spell check and put in hyperlinks as well to other websites or pages within your blog. Okay, so I've just done a very quick, simple post here. If you want to add a picture to your post, which I think is a good thing to do, makes them more appealing and easier to read sometimes, click on Add an Image here. You can upload an image either from your computer or somewhere else on the internet. Assuming you have an image on your computer to upload, click the Choose Files to Upload button. And navigate to the image. Click open. Okay, there we go. A quick tip is just try, if you can, to make sure the image is ready for the internet before you upload it. And by that I mean that it's roughly the right size and that it is either a JPEG, GIF or PNG format. This will make it easier for WordPress to handle the image. If you click on Media Library here, it will show you all the pictures that you've uploaded. Obviously I've just got one here. Click on the show link there. You can write a caption and a description if you wish. Then scroll down. Then choose where you want the image to be placed in the post. So to the left, the middle or the right, for instance. And after you've done that, just click Insert into Post. You're taken back to the post where you can see what it looks like. You can move the image around a little bit if you wish. So I didn't actually want it quite there. I wanted it sort of to the left of the text. So if I just click and drag, there you go. It gives you, a fair bit of control. That seems okay. You can click on Preview this post here to see what it will look like when it's published. Okay. And if you choose to save the post, say that you're maybe not quite finished with it yet or something, you can click the Save button there, and it won't appear on your blog just yet. Okay. But you can return to it by going to Manage and then Posts. Okay. Click on the title of it, and then once you're happy and ready to publish, click Publish here, and the post will appear on the blog. One more thing, just underneath the post, just add a few tags in. So, for instance, add those in, and then go ahead, publish the post. And that is basically it. Oh, almost forgot. We created categories, didn't we, before we did a post? Tick the relevant category. So I've created a few here. Obviously this would go under golf equipment. Make sure that's ticked, and then go ahead and save or publish the post.